Welcome to this practice. We're going to evaluate this expression, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 expressions, and then we're going to write the answer in scientific notation. All right, let's look at question 1. 4.4 times 10 to the third power, open close parentheses, and times 1.5 times 10 to the negative 7th power. No worries, we're going to multiply these two numbers together. 4.4 times 1.5, we have 6.6. So 6.6, that's 6.6. All right, let's look at 10 to the third power times 10 to the negative 7th power. And let's just write down here 10 to the third power and times 10 to the negative 7th power. All right, look at these two guys. Isn't it? Keep the base, add the power. And we're going to add the power. One is 3, one is negative 7. Put together is negative 4. All right, so we're going to erase this part we don't need. We have 6.6 times 10 to the negative 4th power. Okay, question 2 and question 1 are exactly the same type of question. Why don't you pause this video, see if you can calculate this all by yourself, then come back quickly. We can check the work together. All right, did you multiply these two numbers together? And 8.1 times 9 gave us, that gives us 72 and 9/10. Now, we're going to look at this. Remember, it is keep the base, add the power. Negative 4 and negative 6, that gives us negative 10. Do not stop here, because 72.9 is not the form we want. We want 7.29 is 7 and 29 hundredths. We want this. However, if we write this number as 7 and 29 hundredths, in order to restore to the previous number 72.9, we need times 10 to the first power. And then don't forget, we still have this one we just figured out. So continue right. And continue right. Write down the first one. And then look at 10 to the first power and 10 to the negative 10th power. We're going to do keep the base, add the power 1 and negative 10, that is negative 9. Now we can proudly circle this answer. We say we are good. All right, I'm going to erase all these parts. The next one, we're going to do division. Same as the question 1 and 2, we multiply two numbers together. This time we can divide these two first. Go ahead and divide 5.4 divided by 1.8. I have 3. How about you? Good. All right, so 3. Next one, let's look at this part. Did you remember this? Did you remember this rule? Same base and different power divided, so we're gonna keep the base, subtract the power, right? So we're gonna do here, keep the base, subtract the power. So we have 3 times 10 to the negative 5 minus 2, we have negative 3. Now we can circle our final solution. All right, let's look at question 4. Question 4 says 5 times 10 to the negative 8th power, open close parentheses, have power 3 there. Did you remember this? Two numbers, open close parentheses, has a power, give the power to A, give the power to B. That is the whole idea. All right, so give 3 power to 5. So 5 has 3 powers of 5 times 5 times 5, that is 125. And give the power to 10 to the negative 8th power. This time we're going to multiply the power. So negative 8 times 3, that is negative 24. However, 125 is not what we want. We want 1.25. So you write 125 into 1.25 times 10 to the first power. Do not forget you just had the 10 to the negative 24th power. One last step, 1.25 times 10, add the power, negative 23rd power. Okay? All right. We're going to erase this question. And let's look at the last one. If you have mastered question 4, you can do question 5. Please pause this video, see if you can work on question 5 all by yourself. All right. Give power 4 to 7. That's 7 to the 4th power. Give power 4 to 10 to the negative 5th power. That is 10 to the negative 20th power. Okay, let's see what is 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. All right, that is 2,401. Okay, and that is not the scientific notation form we want. We want this. We want 2.401 times, you put down here, so how many steps? 1 step, 2 step, 3 steps. So it's 3 steps. You just rewrote this number from standard form into a scientific notation form. Do not forget, previously we have this. Therefore, you're going to keep the base, add the power. So these two guys become 10 to the negative 17th power. And don't forget our 2.401. Now, you just completed writing the number in scientific notation. Happy learning!